I think I've sussed it out now. So top right it shows the vehicle, so I'm going to press OK on that. Go down to Volkswagen CV, which is commercial vehicles, because it's a transporter. So you need to choose that. Go into Smart VIN. It's going to recognise the VIN number. That's OK. Go. And it's now from that VIN number going to work out what's fitted to the van, what was fitted at the factory. And what we now do is one, which is diagnosis, canned quick scan, go, and it will now tell us what it can find plugged in. Let's just turn those lights on. Right, and we want to look at the ABS. So ABS brakes control, press OK, or enter, and then press F3 to do a scan. And OK. It says 2 fault codes, and if we do an F3 for report, we can see we've got ABS brakes control system error, we've got a fault, and we've got supply voltage terminal, and then front left ABS wheel speed sensor electrical fault circuit. So it looks like that's the one that's faulty. So we'll do an F1 to save that information, and we'll just put in that, press OK. Okay. What we can then do is we can then erase. So we're going to erase that error. F1. Are you sure? Yes, please. And it's now erased it, and it now says pass. And all the lights have now gone out on the dashboard. Hey, fantastic! So what I'll do now is I'll try and drive it, and then see if the fault comes back. I will need to replace that front left wheel speed sensor there, so I'll get one ordered. Now look, you see, look, it's got an error. It's not happy. Okay, so let's just do that again then. Okay, we need to rescan that. So we go yes, we'll exit, and we'll do another scan. So even though the vehicle's not moving, it doesn't like the voltage signal it's seeing from that front left speed sensor. So it must be a hard fault in it. So back down to ABS, click OK, F3, read the codes. It's probably going to come up. Yeah, there we go. So let's just do a report, and it says again front left ABS wheel speed sensor. So it's done it straight away. So the sensor's clearly knackered. So I'll get one ordered and get it swapped out. I'll just back and then do an erase again, and then we'll see if we can look at the screen. It's not showing any errors on the dashboard this time, and then it does. Okay, so it says pass on here, but it's now flashing an error. Oh, it's gone again, look. Okay, right, so anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to change the sensor, so I'll get one ordered.